Have you ever tried removing your phone number from Facebook, but it keeps asking for a WhatsApp verification code you can't access? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your old phone number from Facebook without needing any WhatsApp code. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the settings icon at the top right. From here, go to Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Next, open Contact Info. You'll see your old phone number linked through WhatsApp. Before removing it, you must add your new phone number. Enter your new number, tap Next, wait for the verification code, and add it to your account. Once your new number is verified, you can remove the old one easily. No WhatsApp code needed. Just tap the old number, select Delete Number, and confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's it. Your old phone number is now removed from Facebook. Fast and simple. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.